Slide the suppressor cover over the CGS MOD9 SK. Ensure that you have about a ½ inch overhang at both the front and rear ends of the suppressor. This overhang is crucial for a secure fit. Begin by tightening the cover from the front, gradually working your way towards the rear. You can also tighten the rear a bit to prevent the cover from moving forward during the tightening process. Manipulate the cover as needed to ensure it lies flat and even on the suppressor's surface. This step may require a bit of finesse to get the cover perfectly seated. Loop the bungee over the front of the suppressor cover. While one loop is typically sufficient, you can adjust based on your preference. The goal is to secure the cover without over-tightening. If you wish to keep the suppressor's logo visible, adjust the cover accordingly, leaving the middle portion exposed. This step is optional and based on personal preference. Continue to pull the bungee tight around the rear of the cover, securing it in place. Use your thumb to hold the bungee tight as you loop it around. Repeat this process, ensuring each loop is tight and secure until no further tightening is possible. Since Kevlar threads cannot be burned without discoloring, carefully cut the excess threads with shears. Install the suppressor on your firearm, rotating the cover as needed to properly orient any logos or markings. Ensure the cover is straight and tightly fitted. Test the cover by attempting to slide it off the suppressor. A properly installed cover will remain securely in place, preventing any forward or backward movement that could interfere with the firearm's cycling.